Mana Rangatahi is a cultural leadership program to help rangatahi of Ngāti Apa ki te rātou revitalise tikanga, kawa and reo. When we got to Omaka, we done a mihi whakatau. Everyone was nervous and awkward. But then we got patched up with our cool singlets and scuffs and became one.
Ko kupe kiraro. Kia ora mai te iwi. Ko Nana Jane tō kuingoa. Ko te amara mene pia tō kuingoa. And we're here at the 2021 Mana Rangatahi. Raumati, and we have our mean ass singers and our cool ass who. Reheko!
We then left to Te Awhina Marae in Motueka.
So ko Te Awhina tēnei, ko te marae Te Awhina tēnei.
Ka ranga mai ki ngā makapuna ngā te apa ki te rātou e. Ka ranga mai rā e.
Mai teiwi, kei konei maua ko mā reikura, and here we are at Kai Tere Tere, and in the background you can see one of our old pā sites. It's called Te Pāpā K, and that was an old pā site for Ngāti Tumata Kōkiri and Ngāti Apa ki te rātou. Kai Tere Tere, as the name suggests, was also one of our mahinga kai.
We are heading to Anchorage, and for the day we're going to be doing some maurako and patu. Apa ki te ao. Let's go!
Sun up till sundown until you see the morning shine. Spread your love, share a hug. Peace, joy, and party loud. Laugh, sing, and dance all night. Let's have the time of our lives. Let's have the time of our lives.
Ko te rangi tuarua tēnei o Mana Rangatahi. Kia ora everybody, my name's Pāpā K. It's day 2 of Mana Rangatahi, and at the moment we're here at Anchorage. We started our wānanga at Omaka Marae. We stayed at Te Awhina. It's always great to go back to Te Awhina Marae. We woke up this morning at 4:30 with karakia, and now we're here in the beautiful Abel Tasman here at Anchorage. The kids at the moment, the rangatahi at the moment, are just going through some footwork. Mana Rangatahi is all about re-indigenising our spaces again, teaching our kids how to be Māori, how to be Ngāti Apa ki te rātou, the behaviour, the language, the customs of our tupuna. The footwork, the two waiwai that you see them doing behind me, is one of the many tools and one of the many tonga that we use for them to re-indigenise and to teach themselves to be Māori. A lot of this mahi is foreign to our rangatahi, and particularly our ones that come here for the first time, so they're doing really well considering it's only day 2 for Mana Rangatahi. The transformation is taking place. Mana Rangatahi, Raumati, let's go!